He's been fighting his extradition since January 2011. The order has already been granted by the Belmarsh Magistrates Court, Westminster Magistrates Court and British Home Secretary. But murder-accused Shrien Dewani has shown no signs of letting up, lodging appeal after appeal. In his latest failed appeal attempt last month, 3 judges of the High Court in London ruled that the government of South Africa has to decide whether or not it will agree to a condition that Dewani be sent back to the United Kingdom should he be found unfit to be tried, unless there is a realistic prospect that he'll be tried within at least a year of his extradition. The ruling goes on to note that Anni Dewani was killed over 3 years ago and that the interests of justice, including the interests of her family, require expedition and that there should be no further delay. That's if proper protection is afforded to Dewani. The Justice Department is mum on whether in fact it agrees to abide by the court's ruling.
A decision has been taken in compliance with the court order on the undertaking. We will communicate that to the court. Unfortunately, we can't disclose it to the media before properly notifying the relevant courts that made the said order.
Marga says the department will do everything in its power to secure Dewani's extradition, no matter how long it takes.
The South African government has been meticulously prosecuting this case insofar as the extradition process is concerned. There is no way that we can ever give up on having Mr. Dewani after traveling such a long route. And we know very well, we knew in fact when we started this process that it's going to be quite protracted. Until he has his day in a South African trial court, we will never give up.
But as it stands, Dewani's fight against his extradition has shown no signs of abating. He has until this week to announce whether he'll appeal yet again, this time to the Supreme Court, the highest court in Britain. If he fails there, he has one more option, the European Court of Human Rights in France. Leanne Jansen, Cape Town.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com